Welcome to another lesson in maths. Today I'm going to answer the questions that was raised by Abdallah. Now I don't know if it is in KMF, but there is this question that is asking us that given that nth term of a GP is 2n plus 1, okay, write the first four terms. Now we have GP and AP. You must know what characterizes each progression. GP is characterized by common ratio and AP is characterized by common difference. So when we are given a formula and asked about a term, we dwell on substitution. The formula for nth term is given as 2n plus 1. Not the design in the table. So we concentrate with this formula. If I want the first term, I just put 2 times n, which is 1, plus 3, I get 5. And then the second term, you substitute where there is n, you put 2. You can see my colors. And then plus 3, you get 7, and so on. So this will give us the first four terms, this, that, this, and that. The second part of that question is asking us to find the first 50 terms. So we use now the formula in the table. Sum of the first 50 terms is given by n over 2 in the table. Then in bracket 2 times a plus n minus 1 in bracket times d. From our AP up here, we see it is an AP characterized by common difference. 7 minus 5 is 2, 9 minus 7 is 2, 11 minus 9 is 2. So we substitute in the formula. Where there is n here, we put 50. So everywhere there is n, we put 50. The first term is 5. And our common difference is 2. So compute this, and then you will get that. Okay? We are being asked, number 3, to prove that Sn is equal to n squared plus 4. We have to show him, we have to build. Ni lazima tuunde, lazima tujenge. Tujenge n squared plus 4. So just few substitution. Sn, n over 2 into 2a. Our first term here is here, 5. I put 5. Then n minus 1 by 2. So maintain this first part. Of course, 2 by 5, you know, is 10. And then bring in 2n minus 2. So 10 minus 2 is 8. So this bracket is like 8 plus 2n. If you factorize 2, if 2 goes out, you will remain with 4 plus n. The 2 outside cancels 2, so I remain with n in bracket 4 plus n. You have to compute this maybe one more step. Okay? Then what do we get now? We get 4n plus n squared. This will have proved. So you have to go through 2, 3, 4 steps. Okay? Then we are asked to find the value of n such that sum of n will be less than 725. So we kind of get the boundary. Where is it equal to 725? So that we can find the value of n giving a sum less. So it is as good as solving a quadratic equation coming from 4n squared, coming from 4n plus n squared. We are trying to get the boundary, which will give us 725. We are trying to get this. This is the sum, which is hidden in 725. a general sum of n terms hidden in a boundary of 725. So we try to solve that. This one, since this is coefficient 1, we can get two figures direct. So we have negative 25 plus 29 gives me 4. But when I multiply, they give me negative 725. So from computing this quadratic, n is equal to 25. But remember, when you will put n is equal to 25, it will give us 725. So for a value n whose sum is less than 725 will be 24. Okay, so this will be our answer. N is equal to 24. Now that should conclude this question. I don't know which question I wanted. From his photo, there is question 9 and 10. I have done 10, and then in a short while I'll guide you on number 9. But remember the core and basic thing. Thank you. See you next time.